This video provides a step-by-step guide on how to successfully apply for jobs in the UK from overseas in 2026, helping you get hired faster. Why should you choose the UK for your career? You'll find competitive salaries, clear pathways for career progression, and the opportunity to build international experience in a diverse, multicultural hub. The UK job market is growing. With over 1.2 million vacancies and more than 50,000 employers offering sponsorship, 2026 is an excellent time to apply, especially in sectors like healthcare, IT, construction, and hospitality. The top sectors for recruitment include healthcare, IT, construction, and hospitality. Importantly, all these roles offer visa sponsorship to qualified candidates from overseas. Choosing the right visa is essential. The skilled worker visa is the most common route, requiring a job offer from a licensed sponsor, a specific minimum salary, and a certificate of sponsorship. Create a professional, ATS-friendly CV. Keep it to 2 pages. Use reverse chronological order. Incorporate relevant job keywords and tailor it specifically for each application. Impress recruiters with a personalized cover letter. Address the hiring manager by name. Demonstrate your knowledge of the company. Highlight key achievements and stay concise. Build your online presence by optimizing your LinkedIn profile. Use a professional photo, a compelling headline, and ensure your experience and skill sections are detailed. Setting your profile to open to work can help you stand out to UK recruiters. For your job search, use platforms like LinkedIn, Indeed UK, Read Total Jobs, CV Library, and the official Gov UK site. Develop a search strategy using specific keywords like visa sponsorship. Consider working with recruitment agencies. They provide access to sponsor employers, offer CV feedback, and guide you through the visa process at no cost to you. Use better keywords to find hidden opportunities. Use quotation marks for exact phrases. Combine keywords like care assistant and sponsorship. And set up daily alerts. Consistency is key. Aim for 5 to 10 applications every day. Keep an organized spreadsheet to track your progress. And follow up if you haven't received a response after 1 week. Never send the same generic CV. Customize your application for every job by mirroring the language used in the job description and putting your most relevant experience first. Finally, keep all your documents ready. Store your passport, certificates, and references in a cloud storage service like Google Drive or Dropbox for easy access whenever you need to apply. To beat the applicant tracking system, or ATS, make sure to use exact keywords found in the job description. Keep your formatting clean. Avoid images or tables, and use standard headings like work experience and skills. For the interview, preparation is essential. Before it starts, test your connection and dress professionally. During the interview, maintain eye contact with the camera, use the STAR method for your answers, and always ask about the next steps. Know your worth. Research salary ranges for your role in the UK using tools like Glassdoor, the Indeed Salary Tool, or the ONS Annual Survey before your interview, so you can negotiate with confidence. Not all employers can sponsor visas. To find the right companies, search the official UK Register of Licensed Sponsors on Gov UK, filter by industry, and apply directly to these companies. When you receive a job offer, review it carefully. Ensure the salary meets visa thresholds. Check that the start date is realistic, and confirm that the company is providing sponsorship details. To apply for your visa, complete the online application on Gov UK, pay the required fees, and book your biometric appointment. Remember that processing times vary, so apply as early as possible. Once you arrive, focus on getting your national insurance number, completing your employer onboarding, and registering with a local GP. Take the time to settle in and explore your new neighborhood. Stay vigilant and avoid common errors. Watch out for fake job offers, never pay upfront fees to employers, and always meet your application deadlines to keep your process moving forward. Your story can be a success. Every year, over 200,000 skilled workers move to the UK. With dedication and the right strategy, you can be part of this group and secure your career in the UK. Follow these 7 steps to success. Check eligibility, prepare your CV, apply daily, master your interview, get your offer, secure your visa, and start your new job. Consistency is your greatest advantage.